Welcome to Guerneville.
Good morning, it's great to see you again. Tim Rangel, Sotheby's International Realty. We're here at 15863 Morningside Drive in Guerneville, California. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm going to take you on a tour of this fantastic home coming to the market soon. Enjoy, send your comments, and look forward to connecting with you. Take care.
Centrally located, this lovingly maintained home offers a richness and quality and comfort throughout. At over 2,200 square feet, with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, this stunning open floor plan is spacious, vibrant, and welcoming. The rooms flow from the 2 expansive decks throughout the home in a smooth, logical, and familiar way, and a tranquil private deck overlooking the redwoods with a warm and gently foaming hot tub. This is sanctuary found.